Chennai is on a massive growth plan. Tamil Nadu is on a super growth plan. In Tamil Nadu, obviously, it's a no-brainer to say Chennai takes the top slot. It's not just Tamil Nadu, friends. It's India. The urbanization growth level of Chennai, when compared to any other metro, stands in India as number one with a 40% growth ratio. And this is not small. 40% is huge. This kind of growth happens majorly in Chennai in three prime areas. And those three prime areas are OMR, GST, ECR, apart from the other emerging markets like Oragadam, Pammal, Kundratur, and the likes. Now, if you look at what the government is doing, they're taking a lot of efforts. For the growth of the economy. It's propelling a lot of activities in Chennai. The GDP of Chennai comes from three major areas. Area number one, IT. Area number two, ITES. Area number three, automotive. Area number one and two, which is IT and ITES, is zoned in OMR. And where are we? OMR. It's a clear choice. Now, modalla sonnabadi, we go in to understand whether there is going to be the buyer's benefit and client's happiness always. How? Only when there is appreciation on the property. And that's how it all goes. And that's exactly where we're taking every delivery. In the project launch pannumbodhu, we took all of this data. It doesn't stop there. We get into further information. Like, for example, the road that you came on if you were coming from the city, it's a fantastic road, which is a 4-way and 6-way at certain points. It's getting further extended on the sides. And it's beautifully tar-topped with some fantastic rules and regulations in place. And would you even believe if I told you 5 more bridges are coming on this road on OMR up to Mahabalipuram? Why? Just to ease the traffic. Traffic, as I always say, is good news. Nariya nerathula nama solluvom traffic congestion romba jaasthiya irukudhu enak traffic e pidikadhu. Actually, wrong communication. Traffic is good news. Just ask yourself this question. Lockdown la where's the traffic? There's no traffic. Why? Because yarukku enga endha velayum kedaiyadhu. If there is traffic, it just means that there's a lot of work. People want to go to a particular place. They want to travel that way. Therefore, traffic and hence traffic jam. So, in a positive, lighter vein, traffic jam is good news. And there's a lot of traffic on OMR, which is why there is so much of growth. Just drive again, and instead of looking at the road, let the driver look at the road. Whoever is a passenger, whoever is a co-passenger, look at the right and left of your road. You'll be surprised to find the number of hotels. And all of these hotels are either 3-star or 4-star or 5-star. Why? Because that's the amount of business that happens on OMR and the roads that cut from OMR and to OMR. There's so much of activity. There's so much of travel. People come from all over India and all over the world to OMR because OMR is the IT hub and therefore the traction. And it's just not these hotels. Let me give you one more bit of information. The whole dynamics of Chennai is going to change. There has to be one major catalyst that could do it, and that catalyst is called Metro Rail, CMRL as we call it in Chennai. It's a massive program, so professionally run with the involvement of the Japanese government, along with the central government and our state government. And do you know what, friends? This road of OMR, that is right from our location of urban villas, within the next 1 kilometer radius, there is going to be a fantastic metro rail station that's going to come up. It just doesn't come up anywhere and everywhere. It comes up only in spots, in crowded spots, in overloaded areas where there's a lot of traffic. And this is the way they're going to ease the traffic and also build the traffic. இன்னைக்கு பாடியிலிருந்து சிறுசேரிக்கு வரணும். We are here in Siriseri. By road நீங்க வரணும்னா it's anybody's guess on the time. 1.5 மணி நேரம் ஆகலாம், 1.25 மணி நேரம் ஆகலாம், 2 மணி நேரம் ஆகலாம். Once the metro steps in, which is over the next 2 to 3 years, then it's going to take you just 37 minutes. Padi. I don't know if you'll want to travel from Padi here or if everybody is going to travel from Padi, but Padi being the maximum distance that's calculated, it's going to take 37 minutes. வேற எங்கேயாவது பக்கத்துலேருந்து நீங்கள் மத்திய கைலாஷன் அடியார் எங்கேருந்து ஏறினீங்கன்னாலும் it's going to take you 15-17 minutes. That's about it.